Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Mirepoix. So if you want to gain some information about Mirepoix and learn something about it, keep watching this video. What is Mirepoix? So Mirepoix is a French term and it refers to a mixture of aromatic vegetables, which are onion, celery and carrot. We use Mirepoix to add flavor to our stocks, soups, stews and sauces. And Mirepoix doesn't change the actual flavor of whatever you're making. It just makes it 10 times better. And each cuisine has its own type of Mirepoix, like they add some other ingredients to what I just mentioned. And they say our Mirepoix is the best. But the French Mirepoix is the oldest and it's the most common type of Mirepoix used around the world. So whenever I say Mirepoix, I'm referring to the standard French Mirepoix. How to make Mirepoix? So the ratio of Mirepoix is 2-1-1. Basically 2 parts onion, 1 part celery and 1 part carrot. I think it's easier to use percentages, so it's 50% onion, 25% carrot, and 25% celery. Let's say you're going to make 1 pound of Mirepoix. How should you do it? So there are 16 ounces in a pound, right? So 16 times 50%, which is 8, you will need 8 ounces of onion. 25% times 16, which is 4, you will need 4 ounces of carrot and 4 ounces of celery. Now, let's say you're going to make 1 kilogram of Mirepoix. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so 50% times 1,000, which is 500, you will need 500 grams of onion. And 25% times 1,000, which is 250, you will need 250 grams of carrot and 250 grams of celery. Whenever you're making Mirepoix, you have to make sure that all the vegetable cuts are about the same size. Because if not, let's say your onion is smaller than your carrot. So in cooking time, your onion will be overcooked and mushy, but your carrot is still like undercooked. So if you want an evenly cooked Mirepoix, all the vegetable cuts has to be basically the same size. And your recipe will tell you, but like smaller cuts are used in shorter cooking time and larger cuts are used in longer cooking time. Let's say you want to make Mirepoix for stock. Those cuts has to be 2 inches. How to use Mirepoix in white stock? So basically, as I said, the cuts have to be pretty big because they will be simmering in the stock for a while. And you should add your Mirepoix in the last hour of cooking time of the stock for best results. And after that hour, you will discard the Mirepoix because it's going to be so soft and it doesn't have much flavor left in them. How to use Mirepoix in brown stock? So this is just like white stock, but before adding your Mirepoix to the stock, you have to do something extra. You either have to roast your Mirepoix or brown it in a sauté pan before you add it to the stock. How to use Mirepoix in soups and stews? So usually Mirepoix is going to be the first thing that you cook in soups and stews. You will sweat your Mirepoix with either clarified butter or oil, and then you will add your other ingredients based on the recipe. Alright, a little about history of Mirepoix. So Mirepoix was originated in France in the 18th century, and the name of Mirepoix, the term of Mirepoix, actually came from the last name of a French aristocrat. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video, and as always, I hope you learned something in this video. If you like videos like this and you want me to make more videos, more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like these videos as you watch. And thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later.